Look, our today's chapter is wind, storms, and cyclones. We are going to study this chapter. Okay. Orissa was hit by a cyclone with wind speed of 200 km per hour. Okay. Orissa in 1999 hit a cyclone in 1999. Then same year there was another cyclone, and that was very destructive, destroyed a lot of property and life too. Okay, do you know what is cyclone?
Ma'am, it's a swirl of wind.
Yeah, and we are going to know in this chapter exactly what are cyclones, how are they formed, and why are they so destructive. Okay, we will clarify first of all some basics, how these winds form, how these winds convert into cyclone, what are the conditions which convert them into such destructive patterns. Okay, let's talk about air. As you know, air exerts pressure. When you fly a kite, does the wind coming from your back help?
No.
Yes, from your back.
Yes, yes.
If you are in a boat, is it easier to row if there is wind coming from behind you? Yes,
Yes, ma'am, because it'll push the boat forward and help.
exactly. Do you find it difficult to ride a bicycle against the direction of a wind?
No. Yes, yes.
Against. Yes. You know that we have to fill air into the bicycle tube to keep it tight. Right? If tube is overfilled, that may burst.
Yes.
What is the air doing inside the tube? It exerts pressure,
Yeah.
right? So by all these examples, I can prove that air exerts pressure. True or false?
True.
Okay. Then what is wind? Moving air is known as wind. Okay. Then there is another property of air. As we studied that air exerts pressure, high speed winds are accompanied by the reduced air pressure. Means more the high speed, less the pressure. Okay. Let's study this with the help of some experiments. These experiments are given in NCERT, so we have to study them. First experiment is crumple a small piece of paper into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of an empty bottle. Are you understanding? Crumple a
Yes.
small piece of paper into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of an empty bottle. Hold the empty bottle on its side like this guy is doing. Okay. And place the paper bowl just inside its mouth, the mouth of the bottle. Now try to blow on the bowl to force it into the bottle. What will happen? Is it easy or is it difficult to force the paper ball into the bottle?
It
What do you
is
think?
it'll be easier because you're blowing wind.
It's easy.
Yes.
But when we blow into the mouth of the bottle, the air near the mouth has higher speed. Due to high speed, the pressure is decreased. Due to high speed, the pressure is decreased.
Yes.
The air pressure inside the bottle is higher and at the mouth is lower. So don't you think the air inside the bottle pushes the ball out? Should I repeat?
Yes.
Let's imagine this. When we blow, the air near the mouth has higher speed, due to which the pressure decreases. The pressure of this place is decreased. The pressure of this place is high. Don't you think the pressure will push this ball into the outward direction? It will not let the crumpled ball of paper to be inside the bottle.
Yes.
So we can say that it would be difficult to blow this into the bottle.
Yes.
Right? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's try with the next experiment. Next experiment is take two balloons of approximately equal size. Put a little water into the balloons and now blow up between both the balloons and tie each one of this with the string. Okay. Hang the balloons 8 to 10 centimeter apart. 8 to 10 centimeter apart. Okay. Now blow in a space between the balloons. What did you expect? What happens? Should I repeat the experiment or you understand?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes. Muzumil?
Can you repeat again?
Yes, I can. Just a minute. Take two balloons of approximately equal size. Put a little water into the balloons. Blow up both the balloons and tie each one to a string. Hang the balloon 8 to 10 centimeter away from each other. Now blow in the space between the balloons. What did you expect? What happens? Are you going to tell me? Chitresh, as I told you in previous experiment, the same concept will be applied here.
Okay.
High speed and reduced pressure. Think about it. Look, when you blew between the balloons, they move towards each other.
Yeah.
And how could this happen? This could happen if the pressure of air between the balloons were reduced. When we blew, high speed air reduced the pressure. Right?
Yeah.
As the pressure reduced outside the balloons, they push them towards each other. Are you able to imagine this?
Yeah.
Muzamil, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then let's try next experiment. Hold a strip of paper between your thumb and forefinger. Now blow over the paper. What do you think what will happen to the paper? Either it goes downward or it moves upward.
Down.
Down. Okay, why so? Don't look just about the speed of air. Consider pressure also. Consider pressure also. When the speed of air is increased, the pressure will decrease. When we blew air here on the strip, the speed will increase, due to which the pressure will decrease. Now the air behind this, below this strip, the pressure is more, the pressure is low over the strip. So this pressure will push the strip upwards. That's why strip goes upwards.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Consider pressure as well as speed both. When the speed is increased, the pressure will decrease itself. So I can say increased wind speed is indeed accompanied by reduced air pressure. Right? Now, let's think about, can you imagine what would happen if high speed winds blew over the roofs of buildings?
Huh?
What would happen if high speed winds, just a minute, make it like this. What would happen if high speed winds blew over the roof of the buildings? What would happen? Apply that concept here also.
So the building will fall?
No, not building will not fall. The roof will be lifted and blown away. Why so? Let's apply that same concept here. When there is high speed winds move over the roof, the pressure decreased. Pressure decreased. Pressure here is more. This pressure will push the roof upward and blown it away. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I repeat? Muzammil will understand. Chatresh, should I repeat? Hello, Chatresh? Where is he?
Yes, ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay. Let's see. When high speed wind move over the roof, the pressure over the roof will decrease. Right? Do you understand this? The pressure will decrease over the roof.
Yes, ma'am.
But the pressure below the roof is high, very high. So this higher pressure will push this roof away and blown it away, lift it. It will lift it. Do you understand? Imagine.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is another characteristics. Air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the pressure is low. The greater the difference in the pressure, the faster the air moves. Think here in this portion, air pressure is more. In this portion, air pressure is low. So air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Air moves high pressure to low pressure. Greater the difference between the two, faster the air moves.